I'm going to be reacting to people who were killed in the courtroom. And I want to give this video warning because this video gets pretty dark. So if you're a weakling, you gotta go.
Convicted war criminal suddenly drinking poison and then shouting a message to the judge.
Damn, bro went out sad, bro. Nigga went out sad.
There are times when the situation takes an unexpected turn, and the inmates find themselves in the spotlight of their courtroom drama. Number 1, David Paradiso. However, in an odd act, David fatally stabbed his lover in the neck, stating that if he did not act first, she would take his life.
Damn, bro said it's either me or you. It's either me or you.
The events that followed were even more confusing. Undaunted by the seriousness of his crime, Paradiso compelled his mother to drive him from Loy, California to a place 15 miles distant in Amador County, where he disposed of Eileen's lifeless body along a road.
Nigga did what? And the fact that his mom helped him too is crazy, bro. That's how you know it runs in the family.
Those who learned of these deeds were astounded by their callousness. To explain the unexplained, Paradiso's defense team claimed that he was under the effect of methamphetamine during this encounter.
Damn, they told bro geek hard.
Nevertheless. However, during his trial in 2009, the narrative took an even more bizarre turn. It is critical to establish context prior to this trial. David's mother, Deborah Paradiso, had been profoundly concerned about her son's mental health in the weeks leading up to the court hearings. She noticed indicators of a potential collapse in him, such as a sense of sorrow in his eyes. Furthermore, she suspected he held a firearm, which she reported to authorities.
Oh wait, never mind. So the mom is actually good. I thought the mom was like being a little bitch.
A search of his holding cell turned up no evidence of a weapon, so her suspicions were dismissed. He did, however, give a different story than his prior statements, discarding his argument that he acted in fear for his life. He stated this time that he took Eileen's life because he thought she deserved not to live.
What the? Bro, these prison videos get me
so mad, bro.
Who the fuck just kill somebody because they don't deserve to live? Nigga, who are you to tell somebody that?
This dramatic shift in his story was both intriguing and concerning. A pause was ordered during this critical trial, presided over by San Juan County Superior Court Judge Cinda Fox, after Deborah, David's mother, left the courtroom in tears. She had spoken out against her son taking the stand, expressing worries about his mental health. This outburst caused a hiccup in the proceedings. During this little respite, David Paradiso made his move. He came up behind Judge Fox and attacked Fox with an unidentifiable sharp weapon.
First of all, how the fuck is he even getting to the judge? I thought there was so many cops in the room. What the fuck are they doing? What, are they just standing there fucking watching this bullshit?
He stabbed the judge numerous times and attacked her physically as well. Several courtroom visitors attempted to intercede, but it was Lowy Detective Eric Bradley who grabbed his gun and shot Paradiso.
Damn, bro had beef with the judge for real, for real. That nigga did not hold back, bro.
Number 2, Claus Grabowski. Claus Grabowski. His story began in Germany, where police identified him as a repeat criminal. Subsequently, he was arrested for strangling a child and was sentenced to probation.
Bro, stop fucking hitting kids, bro. Stop killing kids, bro. They can't do shit. They can't do shit.
One may have thought that this close call would teach Grabowski a lesson, but his malevolent tendencies remained. A few years later, he was arrested again for crimes related to children.
What the fuck is people obsessed with children, bro? They literally don't do shit. Well, actually, some of them do. Literally 90% of them fucking sit on their iPad all day and watch Cocomelon.
Marianne was raising Anna on her own, so she worked as a waitress to make ends meet. Their lives, however, remained unsettled. Marianne's long hours at the bar kept her away from Anna, and several of her acquaintances saw that Anna frequently looked after herself, even sleeping at the bar where her mother worked. The sad sequence of events began on May 5, 1980, when Marianne and Anna got into a violent disagreement before Anna left for school. The 7-year-old, who was heartbroken and upset, opted not to go to school that day. Claus Grabowski, a neighbor from their apartment complex, offered her the opportunity to play with his cats in his apartment while she departed.
No.
Claiming to go to school. Once Anna was at Grabowski's apartment, he assaulted her for hours. Surprisingly, he then strangled her with his fiancé's tights, brutally ending her.
No, I can't, bro. I can't even watch this shit. I genuinely cannot watch this shit, bro.
Grabowski did not escape punishment. When his fiancée found the heinous reality, she promptly called the cops. When officials arrived at the canal's edge, they discovered Anna's lifeless body and quickly caught Grabowski. On March 3, 1981, the trial began, with Grabowski seeking to shift guilt onto the little child he had violently stolen from the world. He said Anna attempted to seduce him, demanded money, and threatened to expose him if he did not cooperate.
What the fuck is a 7? Why would a 7-year... Bro.
He depicted himself as the victim in his twisted story. This terrible show of victim blaming enraged Marianne, who had already been through unbearable suffering. She made the decision to take affairs into her own hands. Marianne carried out her task on March 6, 1981, at an apparently normal court session. Her clothing concealed a .22 caliber Beretta pistol.
Yeah, you know what time it is. You know what time it is, nigga.
Did quickly when she saw Grabowski in the courtroom and fired 7 rounds at him. 6 of the bullets.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's what that bitch ass nigga gets, bro. I don't even blame her, bro. I don't even blame her, bro. That's what he gets. That's what he gets.
Bullets were successful, culminating in Grabowski's demise. A video of the shooting revealed Marianne's determined manner, expressing no emotion even when others interfered to detain her. She exhibited no regret. Marianne received a 6-year jail term for manslaughter.
What, bro? She doesn't even fucking deserve jail time, bro. You know what she deserves? An award. A Guinness Book World Record of 7 shots to this bitch-ass nigga's head.
Of which she served just 3. She passed away due to pancreatic cancer in 1996 and was buried next to her adored daughter, Anna. Number 4. Sael Angelau. Sael Angelau's spectacular courtroom demise is a bizarre story. Consider a criminal dying in a courtroom because he attempted to assault someone while on trial for a series of violent crimes. Everything seems too strange to be real, yet everything happened exactly as recounted in the instance of Angelau. Angelau's childhood is partly shrouded in mystery, with little information accessible about him. What is known is that he had links to the Tongan Crips gang, a prominent criminal organization. Angelo's trip into the courtroom, where he eventually passed away, was the result of a 29-count racketeering indictment that targeted 17 gang members. Angelau, who was 25 at the time, was named in this indictment, which focused on organized crime. Angelau and his fellow gang members faced a new set of indictments for their alleged criminal acts in 2014. The series of circumstances that led to Angelau's terrible demise is what makes this case so compelling. First, he found himself on trial in a newly built courthouse that had just opened its doors a week earlier. Second, there was a breakdown in communication between the sitting judge and the marshal in charge of Angelau's courtroom presence. According to the FBI, this oversight was critical. Individuals appearing in court are typically shackled to avoid any efforts to harm others. Court marshals are notified whether or not a defendant is chained.
Yeah, I'm so confused. How come these people are not fucking chained? Like, I'm pretty sure when you go into jail, you're supposed to have cuffs, right? How come these people don't have fucking cuffs? Like, this doesn't make any sense.
Lacked key settings, such as table coverings, that would have marked Angelau's unfettered status. Several marshals were unaware that he was unrestrained.
Oh, so they didn't know? Bro, what type of fucking bullshit?
Angelo took advantage of this error to carry out a risky scheme. Angelo was in the courtroom. As the witness took the stand, Angelo pulled a pen from his seat at the table and unleashed an attack on the witness. A court-martial quickly intervened, ordering Angelo to put down the pen. The witness escaped Angelo's attack by running to safety. Several others in the courtroom hurried to interfere.
Damn, mission failed.
Hoping to stop Angelo's attack. Angelo's aggressive plans, however, were immediately thwarted by a court-martial who used his weapon. Angelo received 4 bullets in the chest. He was quickly rushed to the hospital but passed away as a result of his injuries. Notably, the court-martial in command of...
Damn, that nigga fucking failed his mission and that nigga got wasted, bro. Damn.
These activities was not identified and was not prosecuted for any misconduct. This, however, was not the end of the story. Angelo's family filed a wrongful death case against the marshal and the U.S. Marshal Service, accusing them of excessive force. They claimed that the marshal's 4 rounds were excessive force. The case received...
Nah, I'm not gonna lie. 4 shots to, like, the chest, I don't think it was necessary, because didn't the other guy run away? And if the other guy ran away, there's no point of killing him. So...
national attention. And in 2018, a court ordered the release of the shooting video to the public, ending a 4-year period in which the tape had remained unreleased. Robert Sykes, the family's attorney, claimed that the final 3 rounds were fired when Angelo was already down, resulting in excessive force. Judge Dowell, however, disagreed with this view and dismissed the case. He said that Angelo was plainly attempting to assault the witness.
I mean, yeah, that was like an attempted murder, so I guess you could say that he deserved it. Well, I'm not saying he deserved it because I don't really know what happened, so.
And that the marshal's actions were required to avert damage, since Angelo had just seconds before launching his attack.
If you're still watching this, I want to say clearly you enjoyed this video, but there's a Discord server being made right now, and by the time this video's up, it's probably going to be out, so it's probably in the description. I'm trying to make a community, so if you don't mind, join the server, and Lusity out. Oh! Oh!